Now, if someone was doing a driving test and they were to turn and realise it's not working, turn their hands, keep control of the steering wheel. So really, in effect, you could turn up like this. It doesn't look good, but are you keeping control of the steering wheel? So basically that's what's happening. Examiners ask themselves, is this person keeping control? Now, you could turn up people who have had their licence for years, maybe doing a retest because they've lost the licence for whatever. You could turn up, in effect, one hand on steering wheel, one hand down where the gear stick would be. It's automatic. Turn up and do this. And as long as they keep control of the steering wheel, it's not a fail. It doesn't look nice, it doesn't look right. Certainly I wouldn't want anybody to turn up for an advanced driving test and do this because it looks like they haven't put any effort in. What I expect is professionalism. So hands on the steering wheel, pull push at all times. So that's just basically an introduction to steering. It takes a while, it takes a bit of practice.